When he left this world, he said, I will always live among the youth.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, that's why we are searching for Donbosco.
Can you describe Bosco's appearance? How does he look like?
His external appearance may vary, but his character is unique.
Even if we can't recognize him by his looks, we believe we can identify him by his virtues.
Would he be a simple person or would he be a famous person? Would he be a simple person or would he be a famous person? Would he be a wise man or would he be a wise person? Would he be a wise man or would he be a wise person? Whether he looks like that, Bosco, whether he looks like this, where to find him now? Whether he is somewhere here, whether he looks like that, Bosco, whether he looks like this, where to find him now? Whether he is somewhere here.
Lift him. Help him. Someone call the ambulance, please. Hold me. Hold me. It's okay. Get up.
You are Donbosco.
Everyone who helps others is Donbosco. We are searching for Saint Donbosco. Could you wear this mosaic for a while to identify?
Certainly.
Would he be a simple person or would he be a famous person? Would he be a simple person or would he be a famous person? Would he be a wise man or would he be a wise person? Would he be a wise man or would he be a wise person? Whether he looks like that, Bosco, whether he looks.
If you all keep fighting, it will get delayed. Look at this old lady. She can't even stand. Let her fetch water first. Uncle, do you have work to go to? Okay, you fetch next. Sister, you come after him. Everyone stand in line. If everyone follows the line, we can get water quickly. Why are you all fighting? Come, come.
She is Donbosco.
Instead of stepping aside and thinking only about yourself, it's important to act responsibly, said Donbosco. That's why this girl is Donbosco. My name is Malika. When I was in school, they screened a movie about Donbosco. It taught me that achieving goals is important, but the methods to achieve them are equally significant. You, who acted responsibly, is Donbosco. We are searching for Saint Donbosco. Would you wear this mosaic for a while to identify? Sure.
The one who lives with integrity is
Donbosco. The one who remains truthful is Donbosco.
The one unafraid of hard work is
Donbosco.
The one who helps others is
Donbosco.
the one who finds joy in responsibility is
Donbosco.
In this society, there are countless Donboscos. Many more Donboscos must emerge. All the youth in this world must become Donboscos. Then, this world will transform into a kingdom of heaven.